Hey guys, welcome back. Out here by myself today, fishing at Bill Bags. The weather conditions are not the best. There's rain in the forecast, but we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Wait. Bye. Perfect. Hell yeah. Come on. Good. Caught some bait. Bye. Come on. There you go. No creo que es nada grande, bro. Oh shit, coño, sorry. Little lane snapper. Let's hold the hook. Check it out, guys. Caught a mojar. This is really good bait. This is really good bait. Oye, ¿tienes algo? Se joró bastante. Oh, he's back. Back, got him. Oh, se me huevo, brother. Oh, come on, bro. Oh, come on, man. Guys, check out the wind. It's really windy right now. Wow. Oh boy. Wow. Oh shit. Check it out, guys. There's a fisherman under that right there. Dale, dale. Está corriendo. Vaya. Oh, qué bonito, ven. Mira para acá. Está bien bonito. Nice jack. ¿Una manta? Tremendo gallo. Se grabó el fuego. Yeah, está bien bonito, bro.
A ver, son uno para cada uno.
No.
Somos pocos, pero lo compartimos.
Bro, qué fuerte, ven. Está bien bonito.
Buen gallo. Y este viene igual paciendo. Buen gallo.
Tremendo gallo.
Bueno, ya somos.
Check out the jack, guys. Real nice. Let me call you back. Let me call you back. Bye. All right, yes. Ahí vamos. Oh, espérate. Está cogiendo para ustedes. Wow. Esto tiene que ser tiburón. It's probably shark. Espérate, tengo teléfono. Espérate, es que no quiero que se moje. Ya, perfecto. Tengo línea de 12, no tengo. I don't have a. Okay. Let's see what it is. Sí, recójame ahí. Thank you, guys. Thank you, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Una barracuda. Barracuda, guys. Check it out. Oh, wow. Nah, no problem, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you very much. Grandísimo, bro. Gracias, man. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, come on. Come on. Espérate, espérate. Dale. Espérate, aquí está. Oh, shit. Careful. Okay. Oh, very nice. Bien bonito.
Está lindo.
Está bien bonito, man. Alright guys, I'm done for the day. It rained like crazy. I'm soaking wet. Hopefully the footage came out good. The only action I had was that barracuda, and I wasn't able to land it completely. It came off the hook when we were lifting it from the water. So thank you guys for watching.